The Book of Nehemiah, found in the Old Testament, is a profound narrative of renewal, leadership, faith, and community restoration. It tells the story of Nehemiah, a Jewish cupbearer to the Persian king Artaxerxes, who undertakes the monumental task of rebuilding the walls of Jerusalem. Nehemiah's saga begins with a heartfelt prayer upon hearing about the distressing state of Jerusalem's walls. His response is both spiritual and practical, as he earnestly seeks divine intervention and subsequently requests the king's permission to return to Jerusalem. Nehemiah's successful appeal to King Artaxerxes is the first of many challenges he faces, demonstrating the importance of prayer, preparation, and perseverance. Upon his arrival in Jerusalem, Nehemiah surveys the damage firsthand, keeping his plans secret until the right moment. He rallies the people, motivating them to rebuild despite skepticism and opposition from local adversaries like Sanballat and Tobiah. This illustrates a key theme of effective leadership, where Nehemiah not only orders but inspires action. His determination is infectious, turning a demoralized population into a resilient community devoted to restoration. As work on the wall begins, Nehemiah faces numerous challenges, including ridicule, conspiracy, and internal conflict among the workers. Each obstacle is met with strategic planning and steadfast faith. As Nehemiah balances administrative skills with spiritual conviction, the wall's completion in a mere 52 days is a testament to the power of unity and the strength derived from faith and collective effort. Nehemiah is not just a story of physical rebuilding, but also of spiritual renewal. Following the construction, Nehemiah and Ezra, the priest, lead the people in a revival, emphasizing the importance of restoring their covenant with God. The public reading and explanation of the Torah reestablishes their spiritual identity and commitment. This serves as a compelling lesson on the necessity of aligning physical renewal with spiritual reform. Throughout the book, Nehemiah demonstrates various leadership qualities. His attentiveness to God through prayer, his ability to inspire and organize a fragmented community, and his moral integrity set a blueprint for effective leadership. Lessons on perseverance, the balance of faith and action, and the importance of community highlight the enduring relevance of Nehemiah's story. Nehemiah's personal discipline, reflected in his refusal to exploit his position for personal gain, adds a layer of ethical leadership. His story closes with a return to Persia and a later visit to address ongoing issues in Jerusalem, ultimately ensuring that both walls and hearts remain fortified. In summary, the Book of Nehemiah is a rich tapestry that weaves together themes of leadership, faith, community, and divine purpose. It stands as an inspirational example of what can be achieved when one is aligned with higher principles and committed to the collective good. Nehemiah, therefore, continues to be a guiding figure for those seeking reform and renewal in their own communities and lives.